Large cable wires are split to recycle copper using a precise cutting mechanism. Creating cinder blocks becomes a breeze with this rapid production system. Tree stump removal becomes effortless with a robust grinding apparatus. Log processing includes bark removal using a factory machine equipped with multiple blades. Old asphalt roads are prepared for new paving with the help of a demolition tractor attachment. Salmon slicing is perfected with a machine featuring side-to-side moving blades. An entire building is swiftly demolished by the impact of a wrecking ball. Uniform bricks are produced from wet cement by a contraption using multiple wires. Leftover fruits and vegetables are repurposed into animal feed using a specialized shredder. A boulder splitting machine cracks large stones with minimal applied pressure. Car compaction in junkyards is achieved with a heavy metal attachment that repeatedly falls on the vehicle. A specialized apparatus precisely crafts heat sinks by thinly slicing metal. Rice harvesting is automated with a machine that cuts, collects, and ties the crop. Coconut dehusking is made simple with a peeling machine. A machine shapes flattened dough into round spheres for pastries. Fabric layers are cut simultaneously in a garment factory for efficient production. Baling and packaging are streamlined for quick transportation and storage. Blanket packaging and shipping are streamlined with compact boxing techniques. The waste tire recycling process breaks down old tires into reusable materials. Custom-shaped metal cookie cutters are crafted by an assembly of precision tools. Wooden spoons gain their concave shape from a specialized carving attachment. The grip texture on ratchet handles is intricately imprinted by a precision tool. Bone grinding for fish food production is achieved with a powerful processing machine. A swift tying apparatus secures objects for shipping in mere seconds. Double-spouted chutes expedite the pouring of wet cement into wheelbarrows. Long metal tubes are quickly transformed from cylindrical to rectangular shapes. Tree removal is simplified with a rotating chainsaw digger that works around the base. Excess material from wrench manufacturing is rapidly removed, showcasing an industrial efficiency. Watch as a mattress is compacted and air extracted for easy shipping in smaller boxes. Cement blocks are effortlessly cut by a specialized jigsaw blade. Dough twisting for intricate designs is performed by a patient and precise machine. Specialized vacuums facilitate efficient dandelion harvesting. An inventive process uses a latex blob to imprint designs inside bowls for decorative china sets. Wide streets with newly poured cement are efficiently smoothed by a large pavement finishing machine. A giant compactor efficiently transforms empty cans into recyclables. Palm trees are efficiently sliced by an excavator equipped with a precise cutting attachment. A unique snow removal system featuring a car conveyor belt and 2 arms clear streets effortlessly. Worm harvesting from soil is automated using a rotating cylinder machine. Woodworking techniques produce smooth, spherical wooden balls from square blocks. The automatic crepe maker mesmerizes with its quick and efficient process. The process of propane tank manufacturing in factories is detailed. A device effortlessly peels hard-boiled eggs, readying them for consumption. Tube openings are sealed and smoothed by induction heating, ensuring durability. A sophisticated cutter transforms a whole chicken into cubes with a large rectangular blade. Brick pavements are removed with ease by a machine similar to scooping ice cream. Bean paste filed dough is pressed into elaborate designs for cakes. Discover the innovative machinery behind fence manufacturing. Gentle harvesting of dried sunflowers is done by a tractor with a multi-headed attachment. Crop planting is revolutionized with an automatic multi-arm planting device. Artistic drilling and coring transform river rocks into elegant bases. Witness the rapid efficiency of train track switching mechanisms. Flip-flops take shape as rubber is heated and molded in a footwear factory. Ladles are formed under the powerful strikes of a factory shaping tool. Heavy cement bags are moved with ease using an overhead grabbing tool. A bricklaying system automatically organizes and paves walkways with minimal human intervention. Carbon steel is extensively used for bending in construction and component manufacturing.